Hey, I would love to talk to you about options on the bathrooms, porcelain and stone. I'm going to give a quick example about this tile. This right here is marble. This is stone tile. Takes a little more, needs a little more wall love to maintain. But still, the niche is not finished yet, so we gotta still finish the niche. We're gonna work on that tomorrow. But I just want to ask the guys too, so we can share the videos in here. So this is a marble tile, which very much it's a stone, and it needs apply the sealer because it has more pores, open pores, stuff like that. And then the other option is porcelain tile, which less maintenance. In this case, the entire bathroom is it's a marble. But I think it looks very beautiful, and I think it looks nice. Now, not everybody loves maintenance because marble it really needs a lot more maintenance. You gotta make sure it's clean. You gotta keep sealing on it at least twice a year. At least I'm sorry, once a year, or once every 2 years, to maintain the beauty of it. Porcelain, in the other case, you don't have to maintain at all. You can just do it one time, and it's good for the rest of the year.